If you're seeing a Stripe charge failed error, it means a payment attempt didn't go through. And yeah, that can be frustrating for both you and your customers. This usually happens because of card issues, incorrect details, or account restrictions. But don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Stripe charge failed errors step by step. First, check the error code in your Stripe dashboard. You might see messages like card_declined, expired_card, or processing_error, which help identify the issue. Next, make sure the card details are correct. Double check the card number, expiration date, CVC, and billing address. Make sure the card is active and has enough funds. If needed, ask the customer to try another card. Ensure your Stripe account is fully verified and not restricted. Account issues can sometimes block charges from processing. After fixing any issues, try the charge again. Temporary network or bank errors can cause one-time failures. If the charge still fails, contact Stripe support or ask the customer to contact their bank. Banks sometimes block transactions for security reasons. And that's it. Following these steps usually fixes Stripe charge failed errors so payments can go through smoothly. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more Stripe troubleshooting tips. Fix Stripe identity verification problem.